Today I'm in Callahan, Florida. We are northwest of Jacksonville, Florida, and just about 10 minutes west of Yulee, Florida. I know you've seen me cover Yulee, Florida before. I've got the videos to prove it. Today we're going to cover Callahan. Today I'm in Creekside Landing, an amazing community with 1 acre lots and no CDD by Maronda Homes. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful model home behind me here. And I'm also going to take you on a walkthrough of a great quick move-in home. So stick around. You're going to want to watch all the way through to the end because we're getting after it right now. All right, let's start our walkthrough on this beautiful Venice floor plan. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, full 3-bathroom home with a 3-car garage. It's 2,675 square feet. And of course, you can build this model here, and they do have some quick move-ins available. Let's get started on the walkthrough. So you have this cementitious siding, beautiful Florida fieldstone. You can have 8-foot door openings and 9-foot ceilings throughout. And this is a 1-story home. Look at the ceilings. You have the can lights, knockdown ceiling, and a nice tray. Off to our right, we have bedroom number 1, and this is currently being used as an office by the Maronda sales staff. This is bathroom number 1. Of course, you got tile all the way up to the ceiling, stone for your countertops here in the bathrooms, and this is going to have LVP in all the main living areas, bathrooms. Of course, the bedrooms are going to have carpet. This is bedroom number 2. You can see they have plenty of options here as far as choices go for your finishes. Take a turn to the right. This is your 3-car garage. This is a mechanical closet. Very large laundry room here with nice custom counters and cabinets. Place for your washer and dryer connections there. This is bedroom number 3, and this one is en suite. Has a very nice walk-in shower. Here we have your very large open floor plan, very large open living area here. Let's take a look at your kitchen. Look at all this counter space. Of course, you have tiled backsplash, stone countertops, nice undermount deep sink. Look at the size of this island. I bet you could seat 12 people at this. Have a little area here for seating immediately off the kitchen. Of course, here's your backyard. Screened in patio, screened in lanai with double sliding glass doors on each side. Huge living area here. All these can lights already ready to go. Lots of beautiful light in this home. pantry. And then you have double doors into the master bedroom with a tray ceiling. Of course, this is a king-size bed. This master suite is enormous. And of course, here's the master bedroom, bathroom. Very large soaking tub here. Nice frameless shower, glass shower with a rain shower head and another shower head. Nice bench. That's your water closet. And look at the size of this master closet. Now we're going to do a walkthrough of this beautiful quick move-in Carlisle home. It's going for $499,900. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a three car, it's a tandem garage, 2,797 square feet. Again, the HOA in this community is $1,200 a year. There's no CDD. It's on 1 acre lots. And they do have an available 4.99% fixed interest rate. All right, let's do our walkthrough. Got a beautiful tile floor throughout the first floor. This first room is a flex space with dual glass doors. You have under the stairs storage here. This is the 3-car tandem garage. Here's your powder room. Continuing forward, this enormous main living area here on the first floor. Very large open space. Bank of windows overlooking your preserved backyard. You have a screened-in lanai back patio area. Gorgeous kitchen. Look at the size of this island with shelves, beautiful stone, wall ovens, soft closed drawers. This is your pantry. Tiled backsplash. Let's take a look upstairs. Real quick, I want to share a little bit of information about Callahan. Callahan's population is about 3,000 people. Its motto is the crossroads to the future. The reason they call it that is because it's got the intersection of Florida roads A1A, Florida 301, and US 1 from the north and south. It's about 20 minutes from downtown Jacksonville, and it's only about 20 minutes from Jacksonville International Airport. It's 10 minutes to a Publix. It's only 6 minutes to I-95, 15 minutes to an Ace Hardware, and 25 minutes to the beach. And that's pretty close in my opinion. Very generous loft area here. This is your laundry room with cabinets below and above and nice counter space. More open living area here between the bedrooms. That's your mechanical closet. This will be bedroom number 1, which adjoins a Jack and Jill bathroom. Moving over to bedroom number 2. Coming across the hall, bedroom number 3. Guest bathroom with double sinks. Here's the primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. Huge bedroom space. Beautiful large windows overlooking your preserve backyard. Here we are in the primary bathroom, walk-in shower, dual sinks, soaking tub, water closet, and this huge primary closet. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of Creekside Landing, the Maronda Homes community here in Callahan, Florida. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. We're going to put my phone number and email address up on the screen. I'm Jay Wyke. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Jacksonville, Florida area. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when any of my new content is coming out. Hopefully it provides value to you. If you do find value in it, feel free to share it. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any suggestions on any more content that you'd like for me to cover. Whether you're moving in 9 days or a year, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.